In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO for an Odoo website. If you want your website to be easier to find on search engines, Odoo gives you a simple built-in way to manage the most important SEO settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly update your site's search engine optimization details directly inside your Odoo website editor. To get started, log into your Odoo dashboard and click on Website. This will open your site management area where you can edit pages, design content, and access tools related to your website settings. If you're new to Odoo, this is the main place where most website-related changes are made, so it's useful to get familiar with this section. Once you're inside the website area, go to the top toolbar and click Site. This menu gives you access to several website management options. From here, you'll want to choose Optimize SEO. This is the section where Odoo lets you manage the search engine information connected to your website or page. After you open the SEO settings, you can edit your SEO details for the Odoo website. This typically includes important elements that help search engines understand your content, such as the page title and description. These fields matter because they can influence how your site appears in search results. A clear, accurate title and a concise description can make your website more appealing to people who find it online. As you make changes, try to keep your wording relevant to the content of the page. Use terms that match what visitors would actually search for, and make sure the text sounds natural and not overly repetitive. Good SEO isn't just about adding keywords, it's also about making your content clear and useful for real users. When you're happy with your updates, save your changes. This step is important because your edits won't be applied until they're saved properly. Once that's done, your SEO updates are in place and your Odoo website will be better optimized for search engines. And that's it. As you can see, improving SEO in Odoo is a quick process once you know where the settings are. With just a few clicks, you can update the key details that help your site perform better in search results.